This video will dive into the exciting world of e-commerce and how AI is steering the ship towards unparalleled success in customer experience. Personalized shopping. AI tailors shopping experiences with personalized pages and product suggestions. Dynamic pricing and recommendations. Dynamic pricing adjusts in real time, and AI nails those perfect product recommendations. Virtual assistants. AI-driven virtual assistants handle queries, track packages, and enhance the shopping experience. Real-time data analysis. AI crunches data for sales forecasts, fraud detection, and efficient logistics. Competitive edge and future potential. Stay ahead with AI insights. As AI evolves, it becomes the foundation for e-commerce success. To deep dive into how AI is driving e-commerce success, read our blog post at www.valuecoders.com/blog.